Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to begin charging now? Plug the iPad into a USB-C power delivery charger rated 18W30W or higher, using the original or a short, thick cable. Once connected, remove the case and set the device on a flat, ventilated surface so it stays cool. Heat slows charging. Make sure low power mode is enabled and reduce screen brightness immediately, because lower power draw lets the charger put more watts into the battery while you continue to use the device. Now tune the software. Enable low power mode so the system limits background tasks and on Pro models reduces refresh to 60 Hz. This lowers consumption while keeping you productive. Turn off background app refresh, location services, Bluetooth, and push mail sync. Once done, close any GPU-heavy apps or many browser tabs because they dramatically increase draw. For light reading or note-taking, switch to airplane mode. This cuts radios and lets more charging current reach the battery even as you use the iPad. To finish, keep your usage limited to low-power apps and avoid video playback or gaming because sustained high draw defeats fast charging. Make sure the charger and cable stay plugged in securely. If charging slows or stops, check the cable for damage, verify the adapter's wattage, and inspect the port for debris. If problems persist, restart the iPad and install any iPad OS updates. And if the issue recurs, check battery health or consult service. Those steps isolate hardware faults from settings or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.